friends. Okay, so I am going to make a wall tree and I am super duper excited about this one. I have these 15 feet garlands that I got at the Dollar Tree and I have 5 of them. I hope that's enough, but I have 5 of them. And then my husband just got me this. I'm super excited. It's a nail gun. It's a 4-in-1 nail gun and he got it on Amazon and it's not expensive. I think they're like $15–20. They do 4 different types. U-shape, the regular staple, a pin, and a nail. I've never used it and I'm slightly terrified of doing it, but it's gonna be an adventure. I also have these 1x2x6 that we got at the hardware store. They were only a couple bucks each, and then I painted them green because they were like pine, and if you don't have this exactly on it, you're gonna be able to see through the garland, and you can't really see it since they're green. And you can probably stain it or paint it brown. I had just cheap green paint. I don't even know what color it was, shamrock or something that I had from St. Patrick's Day, but it was close enough. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I kind of measured how thick apart I wanted this tree to be. I think it was gonna be like 24 inches at the base. So I have a like a Christmas tote Tupperware thing, and it's about 24–25 inches wide. So I'm gonna painter's tape these to it so it stays open, and then probably painter's tape this closed so it kind of has the tree form before I start stapling it. Of course, that could be completely a different thing too, because I've never done this before, so wish me luck. There we go. Here is my wall tree. It's completely portable. I can pull it off the wall and put it on another wall because I use battery operated lights. So I can just tuck those in, or if I want to, maybe I'll Velcro them to the wood. But yeah, so this was Dollar Tree garland, Dollar Tree ornaments, and the tree topper is just like a star that I found from the Dollar Tree. And then the wood is from the hardware store, and I believe the lights I got from Walmart, I think. It's just a 12-foot battery operated LED multicolor strand. So yeah, pretty cheap, pretty inexpensive, and it's super cute because now I don't have to put like a whole tree somewhere. I can just stuff this anywhere. I actually think I'm gonna put it at the top of my stairs. So yeah, I'm really excited about it.